In this video, I will show you how to fix the too many attempts error on Telegram for Android. This usually happens when you try too many failed login attempts or request too many codes in a short time. It's a temporary security lock for Telegram. First, the most reliable fix is to wait it out. Close the app completely and wait at least 2 to 24 hours before trying again. Don't keep tapping resend code because it can reset the timer and make the wait longer. If you want to try other fixes, go to your phone settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Just find Telegram app from the list. Then tap on it, tap on storage, then clear cache, and then clear data. After that, reopen Telegram and try logging in again. You can also try logging in using Telegram Web or Telegram X. Open Telegram Web in your browser and sign in with your phone number, or install Telegram X from the Play Store and try logging in there. Another important fix is checking your date and time settings. Go to your phone settings, then find date and time settings and make sure automatic date and time is turned on. If nothing works, even after 24 hours, you may need to contact Telegram support through their official support page and explain your login issue. That's it. This should help you fix the too many attempts error on Telegram. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.